Hello everyone, and welcome to Growing with J4. So I have this pineapple here, and today I'm going to propagate the top of it. I figured I'm already doing it, I might as well make a video and show anybody who might want to see how it's done. It's pretty easy. There's no magic to it, you just twist it off. Forgive me, I'm going to try to keep everything in view here, I'm not the best at this. So you got your top. The first thing you're going to want to do is peel the first 3 or 4 layers of leaves off the bottom. You're just going to grab a hold of it and start with the bottom and just kind of twist and pull at the same time. You don't have to be super gentle with it, just try to make sure you get them off as close to it as possible. When you have these little tiny ones on the bottom, it takes a little longer. It's a little quicker once you get up there. There's a lot of leaves on here. I like to expose at least the first 1.5 inches of the bottom part of the top, if that makes any sense at all. You can already see these little roots here. Those are dead roots, I believe. Gets much easier as you get to the bigger ones. They kind of just pull right off. You know, there's no sense in wasting the top. You like pineapple, you eat it. If you like to garden, then you grow it. In a couple of years, you'll have a pineapple. I'll take you along with me on this. So there's other ways you could do this. Once you expose this part of the top, you can put this in a cup of water to where it's just barely touching the water, and it'll root, and then you can transplant it into soil. Or you can do what I'm going to do today and just root it directly in soil. And that should be good. So right here I've got just a basic potting mix that I mixed up. It's with a local bulk soil delivery, and I threw in some perlite, some worm castings. And you kind of want to have it moist, not soaking wet, but moist, and you want to keep it moist until this roots. I like to just twist it in there and then kind of try to tamp down the soil next to it. And that's really all there is to it. I'm going to keep this moist and in a well-lit place, not sunny, but well-lit. And over time, it'll develop roots and you'll start seeing new growth coming out of the center. And that really is all. Thank you for coming along with me, and I hope everybody has a good day.